Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Jadranko. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe. Hit the like button and hit the notification button so you can see all the new videos that are coming out, so you don't miss them. About this video, so today I am at Olathe, one of the Olathe high schools. I'm not gonna say which one. So they have their annual car show, and since we're in May, it's car show season. We have 75-degree weather, so it's really nice, and so I decided I'm gonna go out and see what kind of cars they have. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, please subscribe, hit the notification button, hit the like, and leave a comment. But let's go out and see what they have.
Style is the answer to everything. A fresh way to approach a smile is the answer to everything.